What is good, guys? It's your girl Kiana Ajane, the official Bombbae, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, today we're doing an empty house tour. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all already know the spill. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it down below. Y'all already know. So let's get into this empty house tour. Alright guys, so we're doing the first part of the empty house tour. So when you first walk in, there's a bathroom. Hit the light. Just a regular cute little bathroom. A little space area. I don't know what we're gonna do with this. And this is the living room. We have a dining room right here. Little window at the top. A little patio area. The front door, we came in through the garage. And we have a little coat closet. Alright y'all, moving on to the kitchen. So this big beautiful window right here. And then right here on this side of the door, this is the pantry. And then we have the sink, pretty deep, I love that. We have the dishwasher, brand new. Everything in here is brand new. We literally just got the keys today. And then we have our stove, and it has the 5 aisles there. And our microwave is so cute. It also has a little, what is this called? One of these, so you can warm up 2 things at once. A rack. Called a rack. And then we have a double oven. Yay! So cute. So this is what our ovens look like. They're so beautiful. It's like, dang, who would mind cooking in here? Okay. Refrigerator we're getting tomorrow. And look at this cute basket they gave the new homeowner family. Beautiful. Okay, we got our little countertop right here where we're gonna put some bar stools. And then right here, the eating area. Now we're gonna make our way up to the 2nd floor. And these are so many stairs, oh my goodness. All right, so we're gonna go to the right. And right here, we just have like a little towel closet. Right here, we have a full bathroom. So you have the sink, a little room for your makeup and stuff like that. The toilet and the tub. Guys, I look a whole mess right now. We literally just got the keys. Now we're in the laundry room. This is a big, huge laundry room, oh my God. And now we have the 2 bedrooms. So there's 3 bedrooms on this floor. So here's one of them. And the closet. And now we're gonna go to the 2nd bedroom on this floor. And this one has a walk-in closet, which is dope. Now we're going back down the hall. And those are the stairs we came up from. And then those are some more stairs to go up to the 3rd floor. So this is the loft. This is where we're gonna be chilling. Y'all already know. A little space for the TV, whatever we wanna put there. And then this is the master bedroom. So this is how it looks. First we're gonna go to the left. And then this is one of the walk-in closets. Pretty. And now we're gonna go to the right where the bathroom is. So we have the sink area, the shower, another sink, the toilet, and then another walk-in closet. All right, y'all. Now we're heading up to the 3rd and final floor. So yes, there's more stairs. About to get your exercise living here. All right, coming up into the loft. So we have 4 bedrooms and 2 lofts. The loft is on the 3rd floor. So gorgeous. All right, so on the loft on the 3rd floor, we also have this pretty balcony, and the doors open up so good. So beautiful. So the balcony is pretty big. Pretty big. And then you have this beautiful view of the neighborhood. We have a house next door being built as well. Coming back in, there's also a bathroom and a bedroom on the 3rd floor. So the sink area, another bathtub, and the toilet, and then the bedroom. Okay, so this is on the 3rd floor. And then a little closet. We're up here chilling and stuff. And that is it for our beautiful house. So we have a 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 2 lofts, 1 balcony, 1 patio. And it's gonna be lit. Let me show you guys Vegas. So if you guys can look over here, I'm gonna zoom in. That is the strip. So we're very, very close to the strip. Not far drive at all. So we're gonna be lit. After we leave the strip, we have a nice, beautiful home to come to. We're at a real party. Alright, y'all, heading back down. All the way back down. Alright guys, that's the end of our vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed our empty house tour. And hopefully we get some furniture up in here so we can do a furnished house tour. And it's gonna be lit. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And as always, stay Bombay.